That's my
idea if he turned into a villain. I imagine he will be like Davy Jones and sink any ship that he could find. Even cruise ships?
Party time, it's party time. Everybody's feeling fine cause it's party time. Party time, it's party time. Everybody's feeling fine cause it's party time. Party time, it's party time. Everybody's feeling fine cause it's party time. 1, 2, 3, go! Party time, it's party time. Everybody's feeling fine cause it's party time.
I wish I had a boyfriend. Don't even think about it.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Look at that!
What, you never seen mist before?
That's not just ice.
Nice cannons, real scary. Hit this ship, I refuse to say its name. Hit this ship, it with a name I refuse to call it, and I won't be scared.
I am the cannonball.
Wait, why is it shaking? Why is the boat shaking? It's probably just some turbulence or strong ocean currents or—
It's sinking! The plot is sinking! Quick, hire the emergency writers!
Everyone died! The end.
Now, before anyone asks, yes, this is a prequel to this video.
Start with the second one in a very special way.
Help me out, boys! Oh, Captain's gonna sing a shanty!
Here you are on a boat, you're adrift, you're afloat, one might even say you're stuck. Well, I don't want to gloat, but I would like to note that you're in luck. You've been saved that rules these waters, so forget about your wives and daughters. First mate, introduce me to them, please.
That's so funny, dude.
It's big and scary, elegant and hairy, fear inspiring.
Oh my god, that's so funny.
That's me.
That's so funny. That's so